Before I joined the Young Writers Workshop, I'd started well over 30 projects, and I had never completed a single one.
I had basically no idea what I was doing writing before joining YDubs.
Looking back at my writing from a year and a half ago, I absolutely cringed.
I had a lot of problems with finishing my project.
I knew I wanted to be a career author. Actually, when I joined, I had written about 10 first draft books, but they needed so much work.
I didn't really know where I was going, and it was very frustrating for me because I had no one to talk to about it and no one to guide me.
In the Young Writers Workshop, students will become a part of a virtual community of writers where they will be able to get encouragement, accountability, and support from other young people who understand what the writing process is like.
Since joining YDubs, I've learned how to actually write, how to write scenes, how to write a story.
I didn't expect the community to be as big as it was, and also for all the published authors to be on there where you can just ask them questions.
Now I have friends who keep me accountable, so I've been able to build consistency with other people.
The instructors are very hands-on. You can ask them questions and specifically about your book, not just general questions.
I met amazing people. They took me in my writing process where I was. They've grown me through office hours and just talking one-on-one with other students.
I was instantly met with a community who supported me, as well as resources to know what next steps I needed to take to move forward. And since joining almost 2 years ago, I have finished several short stories, a novella, and my first full-length novel.
They're also going to get access to published authors who will be teaching them. They'll be providing students with personal guidance on the writing challenges and obstacles they're facing, so that at each step along the journey, students are able to get the support they need to succeed as a young writer.
Because writing can be an isolating experience, being passionate about it can feel lonely. And so if your child really is interested, give it a shot. There's nothing to lose, and there's so much to gain.
You will find so much encouragement. You will write so much more than you ever believed you could have.
The community is like none other. You will be supported, you will find your people, and there are people who will love your writing.
Join YDubs. There's so much information, there's such a great community. Anything you need, writing related, is on YDubs, so just join YDubs, do it.
Lots of cool friends, definitely do it.